Okay, so time for a dollar index analysis. All right, so let's see what has happened recently. We're on a monthly time frame now, so we expanded into an overall higher time frame PD array and CB. We consolidated, came down to this monthly BC, came into the CB, a bit more of consolidation, one expansion up, and then a big drop down very quickly. So the question is, what's going to happen now with the dollar index and where would I be looking for a trade? Okay, so let's go back to the higher time frames. As you can see, there's a overall 12-month gap there that we came into. We disrespected a bit and then we dropped all the way down. The 4 month is almost closed, and we would have this would be the first quarter of the year, and we would have a change in the state of delivery here. But at the same time, let's go back. We are coming into a discount of an overall range. Okay, just put a regular fib here. As you can see, we're nearing OTE levels. There's a couple of equal lows here. The question is, are we gonna, just continue to shoot up after that? So unknown at the moment. We're in very turbulent times. I'm not going to try and predict where we're going. I'm not taking position trades anyway. So let's go back to the monthly. We almost closed the month. Let's see. That's the 2 month. We almost closed the month. So I'm anticipating us potentially using this as an inversion gap, depending on where we are. When this candle closes, we have 10 days for that. This is a BISI here. I misspelled it. Okay. I am anticipating us at least coming down to here as a target. Okay, there's a wickless candle, a nice gap in the middle of this 12-month. I'm anticipating us coming into that. So on the three-week candle just started on the weekend, I think. For some other charts, like the Euro 3-week has not opened yet. But as you can see, a 3-week gap here. We traded into that, and now let's go moving lower. So we should move lower into here soon. Let's have a further closer look. Yeah, so some equal lows here. So I'm anticipating even us coming even lower, maybe as low as this thing, the small gap with a wickless candle. Let's go to the daily. Quite possible. Nice equal lows down here. Sell side liquidity over here. So what I want to do now is quickly compare with the future chart, right? It's important as well. So look at this ascending trend line in terms of bodies. Very interesting. What's the 12-month look like? Okay, we're not even in the 12-month R2F gap yet, although on the DXY we have reached that. So very interesting. That's a good point of interest. 4 months. So where would that be? If I just measure this low, yeah, we still have a ways to go. It's 96.7, 96.7. Yeah, we should be coming down below that. Okay, so we can expect higher prices on euro, pound, all those type of pairs. You can see we are buy side and etc. on those pairs. I did an analysis on them, which can be found if you look hard enough. So definitely down there. Okay, let's go to the weekly. All right, we have a swing low here, swing low here. Weekly has been doing that, just pushing down, down, down. 2-day, 3-day, 4-day. So we're gonna have a new daily candle open, and we want to see how that opens. Yeah, so basically lower prices. We do have a opening gap here that may have price come and retest. I do have that zones on other pairs as well. for retracement. So we could see the dollar index coming back into that as well, before potentially moving lower. So it'll be quite interesting. So yeah, let's see how it goes, and I'll follow up after all is said and done.